This video is about putting collapsible steps up a mast on a 36-foot PDQ sailboat. As a disclaimer, I probably should have tapped the mast with a threading tool and then installed bolts. And if the mast was off the boat laying on some sawhorses where it would be easy to do that, I would have. But sitting awkwardly in a bosun's chair 20 feet off the ground, I used machine screws, and that should be good. Okay, climbing up the mast. Okay, go! I'm in the bosun's chair and climbing the mast steps. So, I'm doubled in. I'm talking to myself. Oh, God. Ouch. Okay. Okay, gonna put the next mast step in. So you can see I got them coming up here, coming up the other side here also. From the one on this side to the next one I'm gonna put up, that needs to be 27 inches. So 27 inches, get my magic marker. Need to mark it at 27 inches top to bottom, so that'll be right about there. And that 27 inches top to bottom here, what it really means from step to step is there's like 14 inches from the top of the step to the top of the step in between there. That makes no sense. 14 inches from the top of this step to the top of this step. So that's kind of the goal I'm going for right there. So next what I'm going to do is mark my holes that I need to drill. So top to bottom should be right about there. I'm putting them right along this vertical plane. And so I'm going to mark the holes I need to drill. Got this magic marker. Oh no! I've got my marks marked there. I'm gonna drill my holes. Okay, get my drill ready for not drilling, but screwing. So get my screw bit put in here. I got stainless steel screws, aluminum masks, dissimilar metals to keep any corrosion from going on there. I got this lano coat sort of stuff that I always spray into the holes there, just to try to prevent that as much as I can. Gonna get my screws ready to screw in there. Okay, last little bit. I'm only going to put 3 screws in. And again, I'm only putting 3 in here because you can see I just can't get a straight enough angle. It will strip the heads, but if I get an extension here, then I'll be able to screw these bottom 2 in from out here, an extension on this. And but at least I got my holes drilled there and everything's ready to go. And what I did was, when I was putting all my mast steps up, I put 1 extra mast step up, like really high there, that I will never need to stand on, but boy, it's great for hanging the bucket off.
For the mast steps, I ordered nylon folding mast steps from a place called Vinland Marine. I decided on nylon so I wouldn't have to worry about corrosion in the salt air. They recommended number 10 flathead fastener screws. They do not recommend rivets. The thickness of the mast steps is about 1/2 inch, so I ordered 1 inch number 10 Phillips flathead stainless steel 316 screws. 316 stainless, again for salt air resistance. The drill bits to use were a challenge. I tried 9/64" drill bits, too small. Then I tried 5/32" drill bits, again too small. I finally had to use the 11/64" drill bits. These screws seemed to get a good bite in the mast, and none of them twisted off like they did in the smaller diameter holes.